What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You'll pop for these greeting cards. Okay, so this package of cards is great, and before I get into them, I've actually unbagged them because not only do they come in a plastic bag, but then they each come individually wrapped, and so I wanted to save a little time. But as I kind of sort the cards from the envelopes here, just to kind of make it a little easier to show you these things, what I do want to say is that what I like about this and getting a big assortment of cards is something that I used to do. And I actually used to have a card box where it would have everything from congratulations to condolences to happy graduation to happy birthday, Merry Christmas, whatever it might be. And those were great because when you got news of something that you needed to send a card for, you didn't want to just have to run out to the store. There actually used to be like Hallmark and American Greeting stores all over. You could pick them up at Walgreens and all that. But when something happens, you don't want to necessarily have another day where you have to go out, get it, come back, write it, get it in the mail again. Those types of things, especially on condolences or whatever. It's great to be able to just go to your inventory of cards, find the card you need, write your note on it, and get it out right away. There's some beauty and speed on that, considering how snail mail works. There's going to be a couple days of transit on delivery anyway, so it's great to have a package like this. Now, the other thing I will say about this is that these are pop-up 3D cards, which I love because they're so unique and kind of really in your face, and people love getting them. But they're also pretty expensive. I've shown you some cards that are like $15 a card. This, you get a whole pack for much, much cheaper. In fact, I think it brings the average card price down to like $3 or $4 a card, which is absolutely crazy. And then you do have a full range of cards here. So I'm going to kind of quick go through them. I'm going to show you the pop-up, but you can see this one is Happy Birthday. It's a little bit smaller, really nice. You do have some glitter on that. I'm probably a lot of things here. You can kind of see the glitter falling out on stuff, so you might want a nice box because I'm not actually a huge glitter fan because of what ends up happening is it gets all over stuff. But you can see lots of glitter there. Got a snow globe and a ballerina on this one, so you can send that one as a happy birthday. What's this one? Where everyone looks the same, not where everyone knows your name. That's cheers. And then look at this. This is a happy birthday card. You really stand out. Look at that. We've got a sunflower, I think, that's popping up there. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Another happy birthday here. The presents on the front. And then if we open this stuff out, sucker up, look at that. We got a bunch of dancing monkeys, presents. How about another happy birthday? And look at that. Enjoy your day. I don't know. I think that's a lily or an orchid or something. I'm not sure. Another happy birthday right here. And, oh, a little bouquet of flowers. Pretty cool. And then, what is this one? Candles on the front. And, hey, best friend. Bestie, you can send this to your BFF. Pretty cool. Clock on this one. Every one of these has glitter on it. I guess they're getting a lot of value. 2019! Happy New Year! Da-da-da! I probably should have used this one already. How about Merry Christmas if you're in the holidays? Oh, look at that. That's cool. It's a sleigh with reindeer. That's pretty awesome. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ooh, look at that. You get a pop-up snowman. He's saying hello. Give me a hug, he's saying. And then Merry Christmas, another Happy New Year. Oh, and a snowflake. And not the highly sensitive individual, the frozen water. Well, and then a nice little rose. Oh, look at that. If you've got fans of roses, you can wish them a happy birthday here. So it's a quick perusal of this set of cards, but you do have an assortment of cards here that you can use for various things, holidays, birthdays, and I will put a link to it in the description below because you can get a whole package of these for really cheap. Peter Von Panda, out.